and welcome to this series of videos in which we will show you how to create custom pages and controls for your Essence portal using ASP.NET and C#. In our previous video, we created a basic page and we hooked it up to the Essence framework, so the logon is handled and the user session is created. In this video, we will pull some values from that user session into the page. So let's go here. And as we shown, there is a folder called Solutions with a folder with the same name as your portal. There's also a folder called Initial, and this folder is always present and contains some examples. So let's bring up the start page here, and there are some lines here on top which are not present in a empty ASPX page. So what we're going to do is copy these lines, and I'm going to paste that in mypage.aspx, and I will tell you something about what we copy here. First thing, the first line is the Telerik components, and that's a set of user controls like list and grids, and you can find info on the telerik.com page. We also include the Ajax control toolkit, and you can find info about that on ajaxcontroltoolkit.com. We also included the Silver portal functions, which is a set of functions to make life a bit easier for you when you are working on the Essence framework. Another one to make life easier is this list widget, but we're not going to use that for this page. So we're going to get back to that later, and we're going to remove it here for the sake of performance. Okay, and that of course is the calling for the user control of the portal functions. So now we have access here. Let's go back to the start page and bring up the code behind using the F7 key here. The start page example, you can also see we are using silver.web.ui.usercontrols, and from that we use the Silver solution base page here. So that is virtually always present in an Essence page. And there are some examples here, and one of the examples is the welcome text. Let's copy the welcome text here, and we're going to paste that here in my page.aspx. And this one includes a fixed text, and then we're going to pull from the Silver portal functions Silver session properties, and we're going to pull a value for the username. And we want that in the page, so let's do a placeholder for the text here. So we're going to format a little bit as a header, and then we're going to put in an ASP label. We're going to call that label welcome, and of course run at should be server, so we can exit it from the code behind. Don't forget to close it, and there we have the label. So now after the welcome text we can say label welcome dot text. That should be the constructed welcome text. Okay, let's save the page here, and let's go back to the browser to our test page and refresh the page here. And this will bring up the welcome text formatted as a header. So welcome dev_demo/admin. That's my username here. So from the code behind we pulled, using Silver portal functions Silver SessionProperties, we pulled that value here. And we have access to the complete framework, so we could say welcome to, and then I want the solution dot configuration dot name to have the name of the portal. So we want to change the welcome message to welcome to our portal and then the username. So refresh the page, and here we have welcome to dev demo /admin. So this is how you can fool around with these values. You can pull every value from the user session using Silver Portal function .silver session properties, and you can handle that from the code behind and insert it anywhere you would like into the page you're working on.